Jonnie Irwin has been supported by fans after he gave an insight his day out at the Ashes 2023 yesterday. The former A Place in the Sun presenter took to Twitter for the first in 3 weeks to thank Old Trafford for their hospitality as he spoke of his brilliant time watching the cricket. Jonnie, 49, also revealed that he got to meet David Lloyd, who he branded a legend. Now back to the tune and straight to my scratcher. #knackered #Ashes23, he concluded his post. Many of his 25,000 followers were pleased to hear from the presenter after his mini break from the platform. Read more. BBC Breakfast's Naga Munchetty praised as she shares update from hospital bed. Andrew Swan wrote, "Great to hear from you, Jonnie, and what a day to go to Old Trafford. Amazing cricket. Jealous you met Bumble. Keep strong and keep in touch with us all. Miss you very much on the TV." Great broadcaster. Christy commented, "So good to hear from you, Jonnie. Miss seeing you on Escape. Love to you and your family. Keep well." Geraldine Cowley added, "Really pleased that you enjoyed yourself, Jonnie. You deserved it and so much more." TX typed, "Hi Jonnie, great to see you posting. Miss you big time on the TV Escape etc. Take care Don't miss." Ulrika Jonsson upset and concerned over her nude pics. Latest, Robbie Williams issues health update after concerning social media posts. Update, Harry Bikers seeking inundated with support as he shares post on behalf of HQ. Reaction, Jonnie gave a further insight into his day out on his Instagram page. The presenter shared a picture of his view from his seat as well as a video of him with the commentators. He went on to tell his thousands of fans he'd sleep well after his fun-filled day. The property expert, also a father of 3, was diagnosed with terminal lung cancer back in 2020. He didn't go public with his health news until last year after being told it had spread to his brain. Jonnie has since said he is taking every day as it comes after doctors didn't expect him to make it to 2023. The presenter's main priority is to spend as much time as he can with his wife Jessica and their children, Rex, 4, and twins Rafa and Cormac, 3. In June, he discussed still being able to work despite his poor health, at the Trick Awards. He told the Mirror, "As soon as I spoke out I feel I could breathe. I could talk to people about why I felt ill, and why I was losing weight. You can still work. Look at me now. I don't think the doctors were expecting me to see 2023. Here I am, and am available for work and especially available for parties."
Now